You like Kahlua?
Yeah, I do.
You like Irish cream?
Yep, but you sell it really slowly.
The cap's all fucked up.
Keep going.
You like Crown Royal?
I love it.
You want to drink them together?
Obviously.
Then watch.
All right, I will. Welcome to Call Mad Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Dan. That's Dan. That's Ian. This is the duck fart, the Alaskan duck fart. The recipe for this is going to be a half ounce, kind of layered. Kahlua, then you're going to layer on top of that Irish cream, and then you're going to layer on top of that Canadian whiskey. All half ounces.
And then it's going to look like
A duck fart.
duck
Shit
poopy.
itself.
Duck poop.
Duck
Poopy.
Boop, boop, boop. So, there's a few things you can do
What's
here.
duck poop look like?
It looks like, do you never had bird shit on your window?
Yeah, but bird shit's like white and like a speck of black.
Right.
Let's
exactly.
Google it.
Goose shit is like green
And pellety.
and pellety.
And if they've had cherries and stuff like that, or berries from the tree, it's
Yeah.
purple.
Look at this. Boom.
That's all science. I don't care about science. This is simple. You can either measure it all out, or you can just friggin' layer it. It's
Let's see.
Kapali.
Slap Dan again.
We're totally.
So you don't have to use Kahlua. We're not, because I
Yeah.
don't have any left. So I'm using Kapali. It's like a. It's
Kahlua.
this the one that has like a maple syrup.
Kool-Aid.
It's better.
Kahlua.
Yeah, it's kind of like maple syrup. That.
This is better.
Taste it.
Smell
All
it.
right,
It
hold on.
smells
I
like
gotta
something you
taste
put on
it.
your pancakes right now.
No, I'll go online this week and just do it. I know the secret code.
You know the secret code. So what? Yeah, I gotta pay for.
It does taste like fucking maple syrup
Right,
and a little
right.
bit of coffee.
It's coffee and maple syrup.
And then I was teasing saying
And then,
does.
and then you got your Crown Royal because it's Canadian. So
Yeah.
the Alaskan duck fart is actually designed as a recipe in Alaska.
Is it more like a Canadian goose fart?
Sure. I don't know. Canadian goose makes sense.
It's a
Ducks. I don't know. I don't
Ducks,
I don't know
I'm
the
just saying, like-
etymology of the Alaskan duck fart. I could tell you how the bartender who had a duck mask when he was making the shots, and they're like, and somehow this came up with his
A
name.
duck mask.
Yeah.
So could we get one of those for Ian? That's the question. Could we put him in a duck mask?
Yeah. We could.
Would you let us do
He's
that?
wearing a bow tie. Of course you can put him in a
Would
duck
you
tie.
let us put you in a duck mask?
He wore like
Ian would
fucking
be up for that.
goggles last episode, last
Ian's a good sport.
season. I don't know, last month.
Last month.
Oh my god. See, you need to clue me in on these things.
What you?
I would have got you would have a duck bill.
That's what you need. You need a
That
duck.
would be fantastic.
So you can layer this sloppily. You don't have to be too perfected because is that not a word? But because the Kahlua is gonna bounce right on top of the Irish
Yeah,
cream is
Irish
gonna
cream.
bounce right on top of the Kahlua without a problem because of the differences in gravity. The Crown Royal is gonna be a little messy on top, and that's fine because you want it to look like a little weird. Because that's how the drink is designed. So apparently this is historically around 1987, and it was at a peanut farm in Alaska where a bartender, apparently they have bars at
Peanut
farms.
farm. So they have peanut farms in Alaska.
Yeah.
I thought peanuts grew in the south.
Fuck, I don't know. It's a story.
That's a
So
little.
basically, you're lying.
No. David Schmidt worked at a peanut farm in
And
Alaska.
that's Dawn, and we all know what
Yes,
Dawn
yes.
is.
I'm an
He's an
asshole.
asshole.
Woman walks into a bar, orders a B-52. Then she says she wanted a... Oh, fuck, I didn't memorize that far into the story.
And then a horse walks in the bar.
Then
It sits
they
down.
started experimenting with cocktails. They came up with this as an experiment. He was wearing a duck bill. They don't really understand how come they
It's
came up with duck
interesting, but
fart.
see how it layers though? It's very. I mean, look at.
Yeah, it's not even hard.
Hold
This
on.
is Cool Swan, by the way. Best Irish cream you're ever going to find in your life, if you can find it. You can use Bailey's.
Look
if you
at
don't
the
have it.
job that Ian's done.
They haven't paid me, so buy whatever the fuck you want. What?
Hey,
Ian's.
family show. Clean it up.
I've had actually one fan who, for some reason, thinks this is a family show.
Really?
Yeah. And he's like, why do you swear I have this on when my kids are in the room? I'm like, well, fucking put on headphones. Like, there's no, you're watching a drinking show with a bunch of guys being idiots.
I never swear.
When did you ever think that was going to be a child show? I don't know. We
It's
sometimes
definitely
do
gonna
some things.
split now.
We say
Yeah,
stuff.
that's
Yeah,
good.
so-
Yeah.
So,
Oh, that's a fuck of it.
Well, my kids
What?
have Derek's father as a grandparent, so they've heard it.
yeah,
But it's not so bad yet. Though it's still layered, it looks a little poopy on top
Yeah.
and brown on the bottom.
Okay. Let me see this one. Oh, wait, is that, I don't know. Work.
That's the first one, so it won't be the best.
You don't think so? Well, we'll put it here for now.
What if you do it with a spoon?
Yeah, I mean, I can get fan.
You don't have to get fancy.
Just 'cause
This
there's-
is not
just
for
'cause there's
fancy.
8 of them.
I don't,
This is duck farts.
I don't care.
Also, you'll see that the duck fart plays prominently in some of the old episodes of.
Let's try it on the next one.
What's the show on the crab show on
Just let him talk.
Deadliest Catch.
Deadliest Catch?
Sorry.
He's good.
The guy that died. What was his name? Not Paul.
What was the guy?
Phil.
Julito.
Phil.
What?
I got you.
What was the guy that died? The boat.
Phil.
Phil. Phil.
Deadliest Catch.
Phil, what was it?
The Deadliest Catch.
Cornelius.
Cornelius Marie.
Yeah,
Yeah, Cornelius Marie.
Phil.
It was Phil.
It was
hold
Phil.
On, hold on.
Google it.
I'm Googling.
Oh,
He
that's
used
not
to
bad.
order these,
Does it make a difference?
and when he'd order these on,
A little bit.
no, no, that would be awesome. But when he ordered them at the bars on Deadliest Catch, I'd get more views.
Obsessed with this show.
Because I had done it before that, but then that was one of the, because it's a drink that's really native to Canada. It's sort of
Phil
like
Harris.
Phil Harris, the Harris brothers.
Phil
Phil
Harris.
Harris, yes. Cornelia Marie.
Yeah.
Which both their kids have alcohol abuse problems, and or one of them does. The other one's the slacker. I don't know. You don't see them on very often anymore. But that helped bring
You're
up
making a lot
the
of
views of the original video we did on this. This is a drink native to Alaska. I don't know if you can get it anywhere else. Like if you went to a bar and ordered an Alaskan Duck Fart, they probably look at you weird. But you could do it and tell them what it is.
True.
It's like a B-52, but different.
Oh, it is a B-52. I was just thinking.
The B-52, I think, has Cointreau on the top?
No, it's got butter. It's got butterscotch.
Yeah, it's butterscotch.
No, the top is...
Butterscotch,
no.
Kahlua, and
Tin roof.
What's the
Rusted. Isn't that B-52?
Hey, speaking of which, this is a blowjob.
We should.
You called it.
The-
Yay.
The rock lobster?
Those are more hooker friendly.
What?
Sorry.
What's hooker friendly?
Nothing.
No, we're being quiet.
Quiet.
Hooker friendly. What did you do to the top of my
I
bottle?
think you broke the cat.
Did I?
That thing was busted.
Yeah, I
Alright.
think it was already busted. Ready for this? So, okay. People
Alright.
asked us to do shots on the show again. I had, what's
gotta do a
the
shot.
best looking one?
The best looking ones are towards
Yeah,
the
don't
end,
put that one up there.
probably.
Yes, that one's probably
So
the best
put that one
one.
over here for a minute.
It is layered.
And then
it looks
everybody's
like,
going to drink these.
It looks like oil on top of cream.
Job, Ian!
All right. Let's,
It looks.
All right, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick one up.
That looks like
you want the dirtiest one?
We all are gonna have to do it, you know. They made
Yeah,
enough
we made a lot of these.
All right.
They're good.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah, cheers.
I mean, at least like.
Alaskan Duck Farts down the drain. Let's do it.
Common man fuckers.
You're gonna justify that.
Oh, yeah. It tastes like a mudslide. It does. It kind of tastes like a mudslide. It has Irish cream.
It does taste like a mudslide.
Irish cream, coffee liqueur. You know the
It's
the
actually
whiskey.
really easy.
The whiskey will burn a little
drink?
at the end.
Yeah.
It's lumpy.
It's really easy. It's a little burn
No, no.
from the Crown Royal.
It doesn't have any weird flavor to it.
Yeah.
It's a little.
Ah, yes.
It's a little burn from the Crown Royal, but other than that, it's. I mean, it's
A slight burn.
Come on, let's try this.
piece of cake.
We're gonna die.
And Ian's gonna go serve these off. The last
Diana, it's not clumpy. It's definitely not clumpy. It goes right down.
goes right down. You'll find that Crown Royal and Kahlua have both marketed this as a recipe because they saw
Oh, they
this
have?
being invented, and then the distributor kind of grabbed into it. And
Cheers.
it drives sales.
How many layers of friendship?
Ian has done a great job.
Live in front of us. What do you call it? Live in front of a studio audience.
Yes.
How many layers of fuck you?
Hey, we're being quiet. Shut up.
Not clumpy.
You can't expect to be quiet when you serve everybody shots.
Yes.
No curdle, not clumpy.
No
It's
curdle,
not like the throat yogurt.
no curdle, not clumpy, no throat yogurt.
It's really good. Oh wow.
So it's
that's
good?
actually delicious.
It actually is. It's really good.
Question of the day: what's your favorite shooter? Write it down below.
Hey, that was my favorite shooter.
Everybody's liking it. You gotta make yourself an
I like
Alaskan
chocolate
Duck
cake.
Fart.
Chocolate cake is my favorite
Chocolate
shooter.
cake's good.
Yeah,
It is. This is easier than
Yeah.
chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is the.
You gotta add
It,
that.
yeah, but it's the best shooter. It's easy.
It's just like
Irish
eating
breakfast is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like.
But chocolate
Oh
cake
yeah,
is.
that is good. Ian. That's a good one.
Yeah, see, that's a good one. It's not as good as chocolate cake.
We lost one down.
Courtney's taking it down, though. I see her.
She's
Hold
dying.
it in, girl.
Don't puke on Derek's
Or you're gonna have some buttery nipples. Ah!
Oh well, let's just break it down. Like and subscribe to the show. Coupon code's March 18 to save 18% off AwesomeDrinks.com. Buy yourself some gear.
Do it!
Now, sidebar, more videos. Things that are probably less chaotic, but might not be nearly as funny. Down below, bartender starter kit at AwesomeDrinks.com. We're done for this month. We'll see you in March. April, I'm thinking of doing a whole Tiki month. So we'll see how that goes.
Tiki month.
Yeah.
I like tiki.
So write your reaction to that. We're done again. We're teaching how to drink.